Hello everyone. Question is a company is using a single AWS region or its e-commerce website. The website includes a web application that runs on several Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer ALB. The website also includes an Amazon DynamoDB table. A custom domain name in Amazon Route 53 is linked to the ALB. The company created an SSL TLS certificate in AWS Certificate Manager ACM and attached the certificate to the ALB. The company is not using a content delivery network as part of its design. The company wants to replicate its entire application stack in a second region to provide disaster recovery, plan for future growth, and provide improved access time to users. A solution architect needs to implement a solution that achieves these goals and minimizes administrative overhead. Which combination of steps should the solutions architect take to meet these requirements? Select three options. Option A, create an AWS Cloud Formation template for the current infrastructure design. Use parameters for important system values, including region. Use the Cloud Formation template to create the new infrastructure in the second region. Option B, use the AWS Management Console to document the existing infrastructure design in the first region and to create the new infrastructure in the second region. Option C, update the Route 53 hosted zone record for the application to use weighted routing. Send 50% of the traffic to the ALB in each region. Option D, update the Route 53 hosted zone record for the application to use latency-based routing. Send traffic to the ALB in each region. Option E, update the configuration of the existing DynamoDB table. By enabling DynamoDB streams, add the second region to create a global table. Option F, create a new DynamoDB table. Enable DynamoDB streams for the new table. Add the second region to create a global table. Copy the data from the existing DynamoDB table to the new table as one-time operation. Correct answer is option A, D, and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company has a serverless application comprised of Amazon CloudFront, Amazon API Gateway, and AWS Lambda functions. The current deployment process of the application code is to create a new version number of the Lambda function and run an AWS CLI script to update. If the new function version has errors, another CLI script reverts by deploying the previous working version of the function. The company would like to decrease the time to deploy new versions of the application logic provided by the Lambda functions and also reduce the time to detect and revert when errors are identified. How this can be accomplished? Option A, create and deploy nested AWS Cloud Formation stacks with the parent stack consisting of the AWS CloudFront distribution and API gateway and the child stack containing the Lambda function. For changes to Lambda, create an AWS Cloud Formation change set and deploy. If errors are triggered, revert the AWS Cloud Formation change set to the previous version. Option B, use AWS SAM and built-in AWS code deploy to deploy the new Lambda version, gradually shift traffic to the new version, and use pre-traffic and post-traffic test functions to verify code. Roll back if Amazon CloudWatch alarms are triggered. Option C. Refactor the AWS CLI scripts in a single script that deploys the new Lambda version. When deployment is completed, the script test execute. If errors are detected, revert to the previous Lambda version. Option D. Create and deploy an AWS CloudFormation stack that consists of a new API gateway endpoint that references the new Lambda version. Change the CloudFront origin to the new API gateway endpoint. Monitor errors and if detected, change the AWS CloudFront origin to the previous API gateway endpoint. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.